Ever wondered how to create highly effective TikTok ads? Well, the process may be simpler than you think. It all begins with creating a TikTok business account. This is your gateway to TikTok's advertising platform. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Ads Manager. This is where the magic happens. You'll need to start by defining your campaign objective, whether it's brand awareness, traffic to a website, app installs, or conversions. Knowing your primary goal is crucial. Next, you'll set your target audience. This involves defining demographics, interests, and behaviors to ensure your ads reach the right people. Then decide on ad placement. With options like the For You feed, TikTok Discover, and specific TikTok categories, you can choose exactly where your ads will appear. Now it's time to talk money. Set your budget and schedule. This could be a daily or lifetime budget, and you'll need to choose the start and end dates for your ads. Next, create your TikTok ad group. Group your ads by common elements, set your bid strategy, and define optimization goals. Once that's done, it's time to design your ad creative. Choose an ad format that suits your campaign and create engaging content that aligns with TikTok's creative trends and the preferences of your target audience. Don't forget to add captivating captions and hashtags. They increase discoverability and encourage user engagement. Then include a clear call to action. This tells users exactly what action you want them to take. Before you submit, use TikTok's preview feature to see how your ad will look to users. Then, review all settings, targeting options, and creative elements before submitting your ad for review. Once your ad is live, monitor and optimize its performance using TikTok's analytics tools. Adjust your budget, targeting, or creative elements as needed. Remember to engage with users who interact with your ad. Responding to comments helps build a community around your brand. Finally, don't be afraid to experiment and iterate. Try different ad formats, creatives, and targeting strategies. Learn from the data and refine your approach for future campaigns. And that's it. You're well on your way to creating effective TikTok ads. Happy advertising!